Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hit back at critics who have lashed out at the government over the delay in transitioning Jamaica into a republic. The Prime Minister insists plans are in place for Jamaica to cut ties with the British monarch, but argues that there are more pressing issues to deal with. He also questioned why former Prime Ministers failed to do so when they were in power. In an open letter recently, the longest-serving Prime Minister, PJ Patterson, urged the government to make Jamaica a republic.
There's no question. Who is arguing that point? People who have argued that point could have done it 20, 30, 40 years ago. And as we move in our 60th, we need to do more projects like this one. Projects like these that people can see materialize in front of them, their independence, their progress, their prosperity, not just words.